In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer all iPhone pictures to Google Photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm gonna show you one online tool provided by Apple that allows us to easily transfer all our media content from our iCloud directly to the Google Photos. To do that, I'm gonna use Safari now. So first off, we need to open it up and then go to privacy.apple.com. When you open up this site for the first time, it will ask you to confirm your identity, so you will have to log into your Apple ID here to continue. And once it is done, scroll down a bit and here you will find transfer a copy of your data. To continue, tap down below here at request to transfer a copy of your data. And then you will be taken to the step where it will show you total number of your photos and videos. Then scroll down here, select destination. Now we can select Google Photos, and down below here we can also choose the content to transfer. We can select photos and videos here and then hit add continue. On the next step, down below here we need to tap add continue again, and then Apple will do everything for you. So that's how we can easily transfer all our photos and videos directly from our iPhone or from our iCloud to the Google Photos. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.